Hello guys, today I want to show you all my Lego sets. Here's my first one.
Hey guys.
Okay, and here's my friend Zakaria too.
Guys, like and subscribe to my channel.
Yeah, his channel Zakaria. Zakaria what again?
Zakaria Wayne. And guys, by the way, I'm gonna soon make a new account on my phone. It's gonna be my Roblox user. And you can go into my account and add me on Roblox.
Got it. And here we go. Here's the beauty of the car.
Usually you can actually kind of see this is really cool. This is actually like, yeah, there's like the
and the
tiger
fun
box.
feature is you can lift it up and put the car on there. Then we come to our second car that goes on it. Isn't it a beauty? A beauty of a car.
Guys, put your answers in the comments down below. As you can see, how
And we promise we will put you in the next video.
Maybe, we don't know, guys.
But
And next we got the new Fortnite burger, as you can see.
And he can lift up his head if you want to lift it up. Let me meow meow. I don't want to see that part of the body.
And we got another one, the G-Wagon.
The G-Wagon effect.
We have to be extremely careful since this is extremely cool.
Doesn't the G-Wagon look cool, guys?
And we got
it's my favorite Lego set.
Guys,
it has wing and I can wipe the windows.
Guys, we got the Draco Pumpkin also, what I call this. This is actually my second favorite. I call this the Spooky Lucky Block.
If you know what's a Spooky Lucky Block, you're still a Brainrot fan.
Guys, comment down below.
Isn't this cool, guys?
There's a LED in that inside.
And look, it doesn't it look like you're smoking.
And we got the new Mercedes.
Act like you're smoking. And go. Okay. Next is the Mercedes-Benz. In other words, my favorite would be BMW.
Guys, and you know what? There's actually a fun part to it. You can actually lift up the trunk and look how there is the engine. And as you come into here, let me just close this. Look at the in like the furniture. Like, look here, this is like plain leather, but like Lego leather.
Okay, can you bring the last one there? My favorite one is my boar from Minecraft. If you are OG on Minecraft, you will know. You can find this in the nether. If it comes to the human land, it turns into this weird thing.
And guys, he actually has one of these monkey feet pop stuff.
Okay, and bring my favorite. Okay, and that's it for now. And thank you. I'll see you next time in my next video.